Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So a while ago I made a video showing how you can use this column shifter right here as well as the plus and minus buttons to make the gears either go away completely or show up on the screen. You have to do it when you're actually in drive mode, but as you can see, 1 through 10 shows up here, and in the video I showed how if you do plus or minus you can make some of these things go away. As you can see, I'm making some of the gears go away by pressing minus and bringing them back by going to the plus symbol. Now, I got asked this question probably 50 times on that video, and we're gonna figure out the answer to that question right here, right now. But the question was, does removing higher gears lock your truck into staying into that gear? Meaning if I drop the gears all the way down to the highest number on the screen was 5, will the truck only go up to 5th gear and then lock in place there? So I think we're gonna do this all in real time. This entire video has just been one take, so we're gonna put the truck in drive. I'm gonna drop it to a real low gear, like probably 3 will be the highest number on the screen, and then we will see in real time if this actually works. So throw the truck in reverse real quick. We'll back up. We're doing this all in one take, boys. Or girls. People. All right. Backing up. Truck is in drive. We're gonna use the minus to bring it all the way down to 3rd gear. So let's see what happens. It does appear that it's locking it in 3rd gear. The RPMs are staying high. What happens if I drop it into 2nd gear right now? Oh, yes, it just manually, we just manually gear shifted or engine braked right there. All right, so easy enough. Yes, dropping these gears on the screen down does in fact lock out as high as your truck will shift. So as you saw already, I was in 3rd. I'm gonna drop it down to 2. Dropped it all the way down to 1. You see the RPMs shoot up right there, and it's holding it in the higher gear. I'm gonna bring 2 up on the screen right now, which allows it to shift into 2nd gear. So yeah, easy enough, guys. Pretty straightforward video. Yes, you can manually control the gears on the truck using the center console or column shifter on your truck. So practical applications for this, maybe you guys are towing something, or for whatever reason you want to stay in a real low gear, keep the RPMs high, keep the miles per hour really low. That's a good and super easy way, especially if it's right down here by your hand. Super easy way to be able to do that. But hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I'm sorry it took me so long to actually answer this question, but never really had the opportunity until now to do it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.